Welcome to today's meditation to make a specific person call you and return back into your life. Find a quiet space and get comfortably seated or lie down. Take a deep breath in and slowly release it while gently closing your eyes. Another deep breath in and slowly release it, emptying your mind of all worries and concerns. Take another deep breath in and slowly release it out. Let go of any tension. With every inhale, cleanse your spirit and mind. And with every exhale, release all doubts and fears. You are about to connect to the divine inside of you. That part of you is perfect. That part of you is listening right now, waiting for your command. Now visualize your specific person. See their face, their eyes, their hair, their nose, their skin, their body. This specific person is sitting right in front of you and they are happy. Thoughts of you have been constantly running through their mind. They can't stop thinking about how wonderful you are and how happy you make them. The more they think of you, the more they value you and love you. They love everything about you. They are starting to feel things for you that they have never felt for anyone before. They are starting to fall in love with you. Thinking about you reminds them of all the things they are missing out on not being with you. They need and desire you right now. They want you so badly right now. You are irreplaceable to them and they need you in their life. They are ready to bring you all of the love you have been desiring from them. All of these thoughts are making them want to call you and hear your voice. So they grab their phone, they are scrolling through it and find your name in their contacts. They click on your name and now they hear the phone start to ring. Your specific person feels so happy to be calling you right now. Now imagine hearing your phone ring. Grab your phone and see that it is your specific person calling. You tap on the green phone button to answer. You can now hear their voice. What are they saying to you? How do you feel right now as you are talking to them? Inhale deeply and feel whatever feeling you are feeling right now, deeply and passionately. Now say to yourself, "Thank you, universe, for returning my specific person back to me. It is done. You are full of love, joy, and happiness in this moment." Take a deep inhale to lock those feelings in. Now release out and let it go into the universe. Now slowly open your eyes. Let me know in the comment section how you felt during this meditation. And after manifesting, please share in the comment section below. If you have any negative beliefs start to pop up and start to diminish these feelings of love, joy, and happiness, it is time to listen to this meditation again to regain the power of this meditation. And you can now come join my thousands of other clients who have manifested their specific person fast and easy with my manifestations and love spells at joybyjanelle.com. Bye, my love. See you in the next meditation.